Oh, how good is it, boys, to have some rugby back, eh? The lads out there banging and clanging. Big games are coming. I like it. Now, I know we can't go to the stadium to watch, but what we can do is nail our big match day routine, right? And what is the most important part of big match day? Correct, food. And to that end, I've called an old friend of mine. Now, she literally knows her onions, okay? We're doing a cook-up, we're getting our pre-match meal nailed, and we're going to show the rugby community exactly what they should be doing to get their routines back, make things feel a little bit normal again. Now, she told me where we got to meet her. I've got the coordinates. We might have to go off-road, we might have to get a little bit adventurous to get there, but I think it'll be worth it. Yeah, Jen, what a spot. This place is awesome. So, Jen, what we're trying to do today is keep in mind these poor rugby supporters that haven't been allowed for months and months to go and watch their teams live. And we're going to cook them, or you're going to cook them, a pre-match meal. Yeah. Okay, this isn't for the players, be a bit heavy on the old tummy. This is for the fans. Just get some set for the day. So what are we having?
I'm going to cook you a Philly cheese steak sandwich.
Ooh.
Right, onions.
That is actually what it smells like when you arrive at a rugby stadium on a Saturday or a Sunday afternoon.
Right, can you pass me the mushrooms? You can shove those in, actually.
Yeah, shove it all in.
Yeah.
Easy as that.
Yeah, and then into that, smoked paprika. You can bung in that parsley, and then this is the good bit. Just get those sizzle around.
Just leave them on.
A little bit, yeah, nothing more to it than that. Right, so on our really beautiful bit of bavette steak here, plenty of salt, a little drizzle of oil. So we're just gonna, this is the good bit, sizzle that on there.
Oh yeah. And for those people who aren't as carnivorous as you and I are, you could do this with veggies, couldn't you?
Yeah, without a doubt you could. One of my favourite vegetables to grill is chard, you know, with the pink stems.
Yeah,
it's
never
like
grilled
kind
it.
of spinach. It's really, really good.
So you obviously love cooking outdoors, Jen. Is that just because of the taste, or is it kind of the whole event of the thing?
It's the whole event for me, you know, it just turns it into a little bit of an exciting adventure, and I think we need all the little adventures we can get, don't we, right now? But you know, this is here, and we're in this beautiful kind of wild location, but you could do this on any barbecue in your back garden.
Yep. Yeah.
And you can't deny that eating outside, it tastes so much better.
Tastes better.
So we are 50, that is bang on to take off there.
That's where we want it.
Right, so I'm cutting it across the grain. You can get the bread on now and put it butter side down, because that butter is what's going to make it really kind of crispy on the outside.
Okay.
Hear that sizzle? It's going to scoop up some mushrooms.
Oh yeah.
They are smelling really, really good. Right, then, our beautiful steak, look at that.
Oh,
you could use any cheese you like, but I really love Stilton. It's my favourite cheese in the world. So. Butter up. Like this. Oh, amazing. All that butter's kind of dripping down.
Oh,
you can see it bubbling.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Right, let's get that one off.
Go on then.
Slice that one in half.
Go on then. No lying, all right? Honest opinion. Oh my God. You'd love it, Badge, but you can't have any. You're a dog. So get over it. Jen, thanks for bringing us out here. What a spot. Great day.
Well, it's an absolute pleasure. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to come back. You can leave the rig there.
Cook yourself a sandwich.
Cook myself a sarnie.
Yeah, and the dogs.
Sounds decent. What do you reckon, mate? Reckon we'll come again? I think we'll come again, won't we?